Okay class, so in this video I will show you how to solve the unit step function after we rewrite the ft in the form of unit step function. Okay, right, so the question asks you to write ft in the form of unit step function and determine the Laplace transform. Okay, so they have two questions that you need to answer. First, you need to write your ft in the form of unit step function and then determine the Laplace transform. Okay, so this is the example. This is the question. Okay, so actually this question we already do it in the previous video. Okay, so the first one is we will write the ft in the form of unit step function. So means that you will get t plus 2 minus t ut minus 3. Okay, so the first step is similar like the previous one. So like this one, okay, macam ni, sama macam soalan kita buat tadi lah, this example. Why I say it's similar? Okay, you can see that you have t minus 5. From here also you have 2 minus t, this is t minus 3. It's not equal, right? So what I said before, you need to make it's equal. You must have only one a. You cannot be a equal to 2, a equal to 3 and so on. You must only have one a. If here is 5, so this means 5. Okay, alright, so leave it here, hold it first. Okay, what we do first for this question is, okay, this is the Laplace transform. Okay, right, so after you write in terms of Laplace transform, because now we want to determine the Laplace transform. Okay, right, so by using, you can see that you have two function here. Okay, two function. So by using the linearity, you can break it or split it. Okay, first and two function, the first one and the second one. Okay, right, so we already applied the linearity properties here. So to solve this one, you can use your table directly. You can get the answer. This one is 1 factorial over s squared. You can check your table. Okay, if you wondering how I can get this is just come from your table. Okay, you can use your table to solve this one. Okay, so now we want to solve this one. Okay, the second one. So to solve the second one, you need to check first, like I said before, you need to check whether it's equal or not. Definitely this is not equal. This is t minus 3, this is 2 minus t. So you need to check, you need to make it, this one follow this one. Okay, so how? Okay, right, so I will show you here. First, we rewrite. Okay, we rewrite back in term of t minus. Maksudnya kita nak jadikan dia t dulu So I rewrite, just rearrange, so it's become negative t plus 2. Okay, and then ut minus 3. Okay, right, so here negative t plus 2, you need to make it, or you need to transform this become t minus 3. Okay, you need to transform become t minus 3. Okay, so we check this one first. This is negative t and this is t. So what we can do, you need to take out your negative. So now it's already become positive t. Okay. Okay, so dalam kata mudah macam ni. This is the original one. Okay, this is the original that you can get, that you get it from the question, and this is our main objective. Okay, we want to make it, this one become t minus 3. Okay, so if here is positive, means that here also must be positive t. Okay, right. So after you take out the negative sign, so what left inside here? Positive t minus 2, is it? Okay, negative t, and so be after you open the bracket, you will get the original question back. Okay, so we want to make the adjustment, but at the same time we must not change the original question. Kita tak boleh ubah soalan asal. Okay, alright. So negative t minus 2. So settle. Now this is t minus 2. Our objective is to get t minus 3. So how to get from t minus 2 become t minus 3? So we just minus with 1, is it? So when you solve this one, is t minus 2 minus 1, so you get t minus 3. Okay, but like I said before, you need to remember, you cannot change the original question. So bila you dah buat ni, you dah ubah soalan. Okay, bila cuba, let's say you solve this one, t minus 3, open the bracket, you have, dia dah ubah soalan kan? Alright, so what we do is, you need to plus 1. Okay, so you can see that this one is negative 1 plus 1 is 0. Is 0. So you doesn't make any change. I mean the meaning of the question is still original. You just making some adjustment in term of the, what you call, the equation. But the meaning is still same. Maksud dia, you ubah cara penulisan in term of mathematics. But the meaning or the original equation still bermaksud negative t plus 2. Okay. So let's say kita try lah. You buat t minus 3 here, plus 1. You open balik negative 1. So you will get back your negative t plus 2. Definitely you will get back. Okay. So you already change it, become this term. So negative t minus 3 plus 1. Okay. So they have no longer this one. So from this, it's become negative t minus 3 plus 1, and then times with ut minus 3. Okay, so if you don't understand, please you can rewind this video. Okay, repeatedly. Okay, you boleh repeat banyak kali to make it you understand. Okay, yeah, it's for this part is quite complicated lah. Okay, but you can answer it, okay, slowly. Okay, so now from here you already substitute this into this. Okay, so they have no longer negative t plus 2. Okay, it's already become negative t minus 3 plus 1. So like the previous one that I mentioned in the previous example, a plus b times c, you will get ac times bc, right? So the same thing here, this is a, this is b, this is c. So you will expand this one first. So you have negative t minus 3 ut minus 3. Okay. Okay, negative here is for all. So negative 1. Okay. Negative 1. Okay, negative 1. I tulislah negative 1. Times with ut minus 3. Okay, negative 1. Okay. Right. So you have two function here that you need to solve. Okay, just now the first one yang ni. Okay, so this one is second one lah. Second one. And this is the third one. Okay. Okay, I continue kat sini. Okay. Alright. So Okay, so we want to solve this one first. So Laplace transform ut minus 3, right? Okay, so it's already equal t minus 3, t minus 3. So step number 1, identify your a. What is your a here? Your a here is 3. Okay, and then what is your gt minus a or gt minus 3? It's negative t minus 3. Negative t minus 3. So step number 2, you will find your gt. What is your gt? Your gt is negative t. Okay, because they have negative here. So don't forget your negative. Okay, so step number 3, find out your gs. So Laplace transform for gt. Laplace transform for negative t. By using table, you will get 1 over s squared. Okay, and the last one, step number 4, you just compile e negative a, which is negative 3s, times with negative 1 over s squared. So this is the answer for this. Okay, this is the answer for the second one. So we want to find the last one, the third one. Okay, the third one. Okay, for the third one, Okay, for the third one is Laplace transform negative ut minus 3. Okay, negative ut minus 3. So by using table, you will get the answer directly. Is 1 over s e power of negative e power of negative 3s. Okay, this one is not for this one, you will apply second shifting. Okay, but for this one, you just can get the answer directly. Okay, it's 1 over s. Negative here is because of this. Okay, alright, so this is the answer for number 3. This is the answer for number 3. Okay, right, so the final answer for the overall question here, this is the first one, second one, and the third one. So you just compile. So you get 1 over s square. Okay, this is the first one. The second one just now is this. So it's become minus e negative 3s over s square. Okay, and then the third one is this one. Negative e negative 3s over s. So this is the answer. Okay, the final answer. Okay, alright. So you can do it. You can watch this video again, repeat. Okay. If you don't understand, you can repeat this video. Okay, you follow the step by step. Okay, so till then, this is the last topics in unit Z function. So for the next video, we will proceed with another subtopic that lies under Laplace transform, which is inverse. Okay, inverse Laplace transform. Okay, alright, see you later.